All right, welcome back, peer structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is June 8th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be June 9th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, I'll be giving you guys some of the levels we're going to be looking at for the London session. If you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to get to us, put them in here on YouTube, and we'll get back to you guys on those questions. Other than that, guys, let's go ahead and hop into the market analysis. So for S&P 500, you can see that we got it up here on the chart for you guys. As of right, you can see we're trying to pull back up to that resistance 42.3325 as a peak of resistance. We did pop a little bit higher, which is going to be somewhere around this level of 42.3650. But right now I have more of a resistance at 42.3325 as we've touched that level quite a bit of times. So S&P looks like it may want to try to pull into that level. And once it pulls into that level, we can kind of get a better idea of what the market's trying to do from that area. So I do want to let this pull back up here. If we reject this area and we can't get through it, then we'll look for the middle and then the bottom again as support. We fell through that area of support this morning, bounced off our next level of support right here at 42.0675, and then shot right back up to try to climb into this resistance 42.3325 right now. So that's what we're currently waiting on, is for the market to get back up into that level and see if we go through it. And if we don't, we're going to come back down. Now support again, first level of support 42.15, 42.14. That's going to be our area of support for a continued move back to the upside. If not, look for the support coming down here at 42.0675. And then below that, you could have another level, which I would mark for you guys. And you can mark it for yourself too, but 42.0125 as the next level opportunity for support there underneath. Below 42.01, 41.9150, and then 41.7250 as support. Let's go ahead and take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P. You can see right now these buyers are really trying to curl this back up into that resistance area that we see up there at 42.3325. So right now it's a waiting game. Really don't want to take any type of trade right between this level. You can. It's a very minor level for me. And it's not going to be an opportunity short for me because it's not around my level. But I will be looking out for those 42.3325s. And then if we get that resistance, then I'll look for a short opportunity. But for those who want to use this area, you can try to use it and see if you can get a downside move from there. So we'll see if we get that opportunity to happen. Now support 42.15, 42.14, that's going to be an opportunity of support that we could have. So again, we are going to wait out till the market gets here, and then we get that support to actually bounce the market back up from there. 42.0675 next level of support, and then 42.0125 as support underneath that area. So we'll see if that actually happens there. Next, let's take a look at gold here real quickly. Gold, we do have some levels right now. I got a minor level sitting right here, 1893.2 as a minor level of support that we could have a continuational move back to the upside from. Right now resistance sits at 1906.2. So first area I'm looking at is this support here to push this all the way back up to 1906.2, 1911.8, and then 1916.5 as those resistance areas. Now below this next level of support going to come between these 1885.6s to 1884.2, really close levels, so I marked them both there. A little bit of a zone there that we could have. If the market falls through that level of support, we're going to find this support right in this area to try to pop that market back up into those 93.2s and then push through that back up into those 1906.2s. So that's going to be some opportunities that we have on gold. Now if you're looking for the short, you got to wait till we get back up into these 06.2s, and if we can't get through that area, this is going to be a short opportunity to come back down. If that's not the resistance, in 1911.8 or 1916.5 as the opportunities to look for the short. Now let's take a look at a smaller chart here on gold. We do have this support coming in here that we were talking about here, 1893.2. do want to see this thing push back up. Did have a long opportunity from here as support that we could try to push through, but again, we got more minor level of resistance coming right here at 1898. That's going to be an area of resistance. Now through that level, 1906.2 is my next target. But right now we gotta understand this is our area of resistance that we can't necessarily get through. So first we got to get through those 1898.5s, and then we'll see the upside of 1906.2 on the way up. There is another measured move area which is somewhere around those 1901 to 1902s as an area of resistance that we could see the market try to fail between these two levels here. So we do want to keep that in mind. But right now the bullish move is on, so we do want to try to continue a bullish trade back to the upside from where we're currently sitting. Now again, resistance, got to get to this level of 1906.2 and then get that resistance to pull down if we can't get through that level of 06.2. Above that, 1911.8. Above that, 1916.5. Below supports 1885.6, 1884.2, and then 1877.3 as the support underneath that level. So we'll keep those in mind when we're trading in the London session, and again, these levels could potentially hold up into the US session. Let's take a look at oil here real quickly for you guys. So with oil, popping this up, we are looking to target our measured move of 70.89. We did have a nice bounce off a prior level of resistance that was sitting here right around the 69.99s, and then we had some other resistances here that we were holding, 69.68, but you can see rounded out, found that support on top, found another support right on top, and then we're starting to pull to the upside. So we're going to see if the market can give us our measured move target, which is those 70.89s. We already hit one level, 70.54, so our next target up for measured move is 70.89. Now from there, if you're not long, best opportunity is to wait for the market to pull back here, those 99, 69.99. If not there, 69.68, and if not here, then 68.98 as support underneath. Now below 68.98, 68.28 could be another area of support. You can see the market try to pull down there and find that support. Now we didn't necessarily get there here on this move. However, we did get to a minor level, but would have rather see it pull all the way down to 68.28 before it curled back up, but didn't get that full pullback, which is okay. From that area, it did pop all the way through our levels of resistance. So for right now, we are going to be looking to target those 70.89s on that measured move. So I'm going to keep that yellow for you guys. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on crude oil. So as you can see on crude oil, up into that area. So do want to see if we continue that. Don't really got to trade long right now on this. Would rather just allow this to get up to that level and then see what happens from there. Once we get there, if we show signs of rejection, then we're going to look for this market to try to pull down into our support below. So I would wait for these 69.99s. If not, 69.68 is our next level below that, where you could potentially find some support here for a continuational move to the upside. Below 69.68, 68.98 as our next move. And right under this level, we could potentially see an opportunity for resistance and then a pull back down. But it's still strongly bullish, so keep that in mind. If you're going to be shorting, you're definitely going to be fading the overall trend, the bullish trend. So just keep that in mind as you're trading. S&P, gold, and oil, that is it for those markets. If you guys did like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. For all of those who are, thank you guys very much for watching these videos. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Again, we would love to get back to you guys. Other than that, guys, you guys take care. If you get a trade later on today, make sure you guys trade well. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye.